P3 second lesson, modulus functions. Modulus we use for positive values, to get positive values. First we consider about this. If x is variable, we consider with g some function, then we call gx. Then we consider with another function f with gx, we call fgx. Then we can directly write x and fgx like this. What is the meaning of that? We can consider some example. Fx equals x square. Gx equals x plus 1. We have to find fgx. How? Fgx means f inside value is gx. Therefore, variable is gx. Fx is x square now. Therefore, fgx is x square like this. But this time, x changed to gx. Therefore, fgx we can write like this. What is the gx? Gx equals x plus 1. Therefore, we can substitute like this. Therefore, fgx equal to x plus 1 whole thing square in this type. Next important thing of this lesson is inverse function. Given hx equals 2x square minus 7, you have to find inverse of that. That means h inverse x. For that, we use like this. Say y equals 2x square minus 7. Then we want to substitute subject x first. Then 2x square equals y plus 7 now. Then x square equals y plus 7 over 2. Then x equals y plus 7 over 2. Then we have to change variable now. We want to write y instead of x. Also, we want to x instead of y, like this. Then, this function is inverse one. Therefore, we can write inverse function equals to x plus 7 over 2. This has some problem. X square equals this one, then x equals square root of this, like this. If you find some inverse function of given function, we can draw like this. Inverse function always mirror image of real function. mirror to be y equals x, like this. This is the main function. This is the mirror y equals x. Then mirror image like this. Mirror image is a function inverse of real function. Also, you have to know about uh, three main functions. One is one-to-one function. That means it has only one solution for given x values. For given x values, only one solution for y. Like this, we call one-to-one. Second function is many-to-one, like this. There are two values of x for given y. For a given y, there are two x values. Other function is one to many, like this. For a given x values, it has two different y values. Now we consider about modulus function, like this. Y equals fx means normal function. This one is modulus function. When fx greater than 0, then y equals same as fx, because fx already positive. But fx less than 0, we have to consider only positive values. Therefore, we have to multiply by minus, like this. If we consider some function of like this. This one is ax, y equals ax of mx plus c. Consider this equation is y equals mx plus c. Then we want to draw modulus of this function. Modulus means we consider only positive value of y, like this. Y value must be positive. Therefore, negative values we have to change to positive direction. This one we call y modulus, or y equals mx plus c modulus term. This is very important thing to study about modulus terms. Now we can consider some example. Fx given equals x minus 1 modulus x minus 1 plus 1. Then first we have to sketch fx. First we can consider fx equals modulus x. Therefore, y equals modulus x. Normally, we can draw this one. This one is y equals x. But this time, we have to consider only modulus, mean positive side, like this. This is the fx equals modulus x star. Then, we have to consider x minus 1, modulus x minus 1. Then, what happened? X changed to x minus 1. If x value is changed, we have to draw like this using transformations. This function is we call v equals fx. This one is like y equals fx minus 1. If we want to find x minus 1, we have to add plus 1 for x. Therefore, this point sent to x direction. From 1. Then this one is like this. We can write fx equals modulus x minus 1. Next one is like this. We have to consider y equals fx minus 1. We already drawn. But add 1 separately. Separately, that means we have to change by 1 of y value. Therefore, what happened to graph? This is the axis. Now y value change 1 by positive side. Therefore, this graph change like this. This value to be 1. This also 1 because second diagram x value of this point is 1. This is the graph of x minus 1 modulus plus 1. In part B, we have to state the range of the function. Range means output. Output means y. We can see always y values greater than 1. Therefore, range is y greater than or equal 1. Or fx greater than or equal. Part C, we have to solve fx equals half x plus 2. Fx is this function. Fx means this one, no? It is. We can see in third diagram. Then we want to solve this function. Therefore, we have to think about this one. Therefore, we want to draw this one. Consider as like this. Y equals half x plus 2. Half x plus 2 means this point is 2. Intercept is 2. Gradient is half. Therefore, line like this. There are two solutions. Solution means intersection points. Also, we have to find two x values. First value is 0. First solution is x equals 0. Then, second solution we have to find. What is that? This is the original line. Therefore, we have to think modulus is positive. Then x minus 1 plus 1. Then minus 1 plus 1 cancel. This line is y equals x. This line is, we want to consider modulus is minus. Therefore, minus x plus 1 plus 1. Therefore, this line is minus x plus 2. This point we already know, but we have to find this point, x value of this point. For that, we have to simplify y equal x with this line. This line is like this. We have to simplify with y equals x. After simplification, we can write x equals half x plus 2. Then half x going other side, then half x equals 2. Then x equals 4. Therefore, other solution is x equals 4. You must have knowledge of this part. How to find, how to draw the function, also find domain and range, and solving functions like this.